Good morning students, welcome back. We are doing first terminal revision and today we'll be discussing the solutions of changing the sentence into indirect speech. Now the first sentence is, now you already know the rules and this is a mixed exercise student. All kinds of sentences will be there. You have to convert them into indirect speech. So let's begin. The first one says, he said, ouch, you are standing on my toe. Now you can see the sentence which is there in the inverted commas, that is your reporting speech. It says ouch with an exclamation mark, so it's an exclamatory sentence. So when we want to change exclamatory sentence, we can use the words like pray, cry, exclaim, okay, because it's a like he's in pain, okay, somebody standing on your toe, so you are in pain, okay, so you can use these all three words. And reporting verb you can see in the past tense, said. So we have to change the tense of the reporting speech, right? So you are standing, so that is present continuous. We will change it to past continuous. So the answer is, he cried with pain that I was standing on his toe. Understood? Next one. The father said to his son, did you post those letters? Now look at this sentence. Did you post those letters? It's an interrogative sentence with a question mark, right? So here, but the word did is used. That means the question is not beginning with the word WH. Okay, so we can use if or whether when we convert it into indirect speech. Okay, now you can see again to the reporting verb. The father said. Said is in the past tense, so we will change the tense in the reporting speech. So did is a simple past which we will change to past perfect. So the answer is, the father asked. Asked we can use for the interrogative sentence. The father asked his son whether he had postponed. We will change did you to he had posted those letters. Understood? Next one. The captain said, hooray, we have won the match. Again, hooray with an exclamation. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now here, again we can use pray, cry or exclaim depending on the sentence. Here we can use the word exclaimed as it's a happy moment. Okay. And reporting speech we will change. We have, that is present perfect, to past perfect. Okay. So the captain exclaimed with joy. We can use the extra word with joy because it's a happy occasion, that we will change to they had won the match. Full stop. Fourth one. Is Mr. Gupta at home? Said Nawab. Now here again question mark, right? So interrogative sentence and question is not beginning with the WH question. So we can use if or whether. And said is the reporting verb, so we will change again the tense in the reporting speech. So simple present is used, is, right? So we will change it to simple past. So Nawab inquired, as it is question we can use the word asked or inquired. Here we can use inquired whether Mr. Gupta was at home. Is will change to was. Next one. He said to me, your brother met me on the road. Now, your brother met me on the road. This is not an exclamatory sentence. It's not an interrogative sentence. It's simple. So, he will directly look at the reporting verb said. So, brother met. Tense will change to, it's a simple past, met. Okay. So, we will change it to past perfect. So, he told me. Said to me will change to told me. That conjunction we will use. Your brother, your will change to my. Okay. My brother met him. Me will change to him on the road. Full stop. Next one. You said he was trying to understand the fact. Now here was reporting speech, was or word will change to had been. Okay. So you said, and then the conjunction we will use that. He had been trying to understand the fact. Full stop. Next one. I said to him, are you in your senses? Again, interrogative sentence without the WH question. So, we will use if or whether. And the tense will change Okay, so I asked him if he was in his senses. Why? Present will change to past, right? Are will change to was. Okay, if he was in his senses. Eighth one. Let us bet first, said the captain. Now let is used to express what, students? Suggestion, proposal, request or command. So we simply use the word should. Okay, and here you can see the captain is commanding. So we can say the captain commanded that we should bet first. Next one. Neela said, Mother, can I go to my friend's house? This is again an interrogative question, student. So, and also you can see it's not beginning with the WH question. So, we'll use if or whether. Okay. And can is a modal verb which we can change to could. So, Neela, it is not Neeta, it is Neela asked her mother, as it is question. So, asked her mother, we can use, because the direct question is to mother, so we can take it in the beginning. Neela asked her mother whether, can I will change to can she. So, can is changed to could. So, she could, whether she could go to, my will change to her friend's house, full stop. And the last one, he said, may God bless you. May God bless you, exclamatory sentence, students. And we can change the reporting verb with the pray, cry or exclaim. And may will change to might. Okay, again modal verb. So, he prayed. Now, prayer, this is a prayer. Okay, so we can use the word pray. He prayed the God might bless him. But here we will use he said to whom? To me. So, okay, so he prayed the God might bless me. You will change to me. Understood, student? So, this is the explanation for indirect speech. Okay, we'll be soon back with the next topic. Till then, practice and have a very good day.